Saan ninyo nakuha yan na galit ako kay Belmonte na whenever I go out of town
Kasama mo man
on foreign trip, nga kami na, Villo. Bakit ninyo ginawa na ano? So, I better have a good explanation or else it's at what time that we have a revamp in that. I do not like one foisting any theory about a quarrel with anybody. Lalo na sabihin yung walang araw, kay Bebot, itabi mo, o kay Senator, papatayin ko. Well, you're putting me into a snake pit there which I do not, wala man akong kalaban dyan. Baskin kay Rojas, lagay mo dyan. Kung si Rojas na, aywan ko, sali niyo pangalan. Kung Rojas ng Bulaklak, sige.